Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to pathping a website using the command prompt application in Windows. A pathping is a network troubleshooting tool that combines the features of two other commands, ping and trace cert. It helps identify issues in a network path between your computer and a destination, like a website or another computer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to perform a pathping against a website. In today's example, I'm going to do it against google.com. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in command prompt and click on the application. Once command prompt opens up, type in the following command pathping, then the website name, which in today's example is google.com. Now hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The pathping will now begin. As you can see, the route between my computer and Google's website has been made, and each step, also known as hop, is displayed. Pathping also checks how much data gets lost at each hop, which helps you pinpoint where network problems are happening. And it's as simple as that. Performing a pathping in Windows is a fairly simple task to perform and is useful for finding out where slowdowns or issues in your network might be occurring. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.